Hi, and welcome to Flashlight University. Today's lesson is all about flashlight beams, from terminology to what factors affect the beam and everywhere in between. So let's get started. First, let's talk about flashlight beam terminology. There are two basic types of beams, spot beams and flood beams. Spot beams project light over a long distance. Flood beams are a less common type of flashlight, and they spread light more evenly over a general area. Now, let's dissect a beam. In the center of the beam is the hot spot. It is the brightest part of the beam and is also the part that will project for the longest distance. Just outside of the hot spot is the corona. This can be well defined, or it can blend smoothly into the rest of the beam based on what type of reflector is used. Outside of the corona is the spill light, or peripheral light. It will cover a large area, but will not be as bright as the hot spot. There are three main factors that contribute to a flashlight's beam: the bulb, the reflector, and the lens. Flashlights are typically available in two different kinds of bulbs: incandescent versions, which have a yellower light and more beam artifacts and less spill light, and LED modules, which have more consistent light output and are much more efficient than incandescent bulbs. The reflector is the part of the flashlight that surrounds the bulb and has a lot of control over the flashlight's beam. There are two basic types of reflectors: a smooth reflector and a textured reflector. Smooth reflectors pinpoint the light into a concentrated beam, so they are good for distance. Textured reflectors, also called orange peel reflectors, spread the light out more consistently over the entire beam. The lens is the clear plastic or glass piece that protects the bulb and the reflector. Some flashlights have optics incorporated into the lens, which can also help define the beam pattern. For example, total internal reflection, or TIR optics, help a beam project a long distance by reflecting all of the light from the bulb in a collimated pattern, so the beam does not disperse as easily as with a normal reflector and lens. Congratulations on passing Flashlight Beams 101. Make sure to stop by flashlightuniversity.com to view our latest flashlight reviews, instructional videos, and more.